Main challenges for cities today all stem out of density of people living in the city and people coming into the city to work and to enjoy. The challenge is density of vehicles, parking, traffic jams, etc. And these can be solved with technology.
The future of mobility has been on everyone's radar the last couple of years. Entering 2018, we are starting to see new smart mobility technologies on the roads. The revolution on the roads, including private and public transportation, is not strictly about environmentally better, more efficient, cheaper, or autonomous solutions. Smart mobility is now creating a new societal reality, one where ride-sharing is incorporating autonomy. Self-driven vehicles will be connected by data-sharing technologies. Connected cars are fighting off hackers, and completely new modes of transportation are in the works. Look at Jump Mobility, formerly Social Bicycles. First launched in San Francisco and Washington, D.C., the company is electrifying the rapidly growing bike-sharing industry through combining advanced pedal-assisted bikes with easily installed charging points. Jump was the first to develop and commercialize the innovative stationless bike-sharing approach, placing all of the technology usually found in bike stations onto the bike itself. Zoom Car is another example of smart mobility in the sharing economy.
Select my pickup location, that is my current location, choose date and time, enter the drop location, for example Carlton Towers. I've booked my car and here we go.
A self-drive rental service offering the best of in-car user experiences, advancing the principle that car sharing does not mean compromising quality. Frontier tech companies are enabling the autonomous car revolution. Arbe Robotics has created a 4D imaging radar system that can integrate to any vehicle.
The camera that already installed in some of the cars is good for a short range and is good for a good weather. When there is sun that is shining directly on the car, like human being. But as opposed to human being, the car doesn't wear sunglasses. So there is a need for a radar, something that is not an optic sensor, that has the ability to create a high-resolution picture that is almost good as a camera, but when the camera fails. And this is what is needed for the car in order to drive fully autonomously 100% of the time in any weather.
As the future of connected autonomous vehicles approaches, there are still certain edge cases needing human intervention. Flipping the coin on self-driven cars, Phantom Auto brings humans back into the picture through their teleoperation platform. In their first demonstration on public roads at CES 2018, Phantom Auto hopes to convince skeptical car makers and wary regulators that the best backup for today's experimental AVs is nothing more or less than an old-fashioned human driver. Meanwhile, 20th century sci-fi was waiting for the right combination of talent, technology, and business case to become a reality. Hyperloop One and Virgin Group developed a strategic partnership to bring forward a new mode of traveling. Hyperloop One's unique technology uses magnetic levitation to guide and lift the pod of the track, which is in a steel tube. Because of reduced drags, a small amount of electricity is needed to achieve extraordinary speeds, creating a more cost-energy efficient system than high-speed rail or airline transport. Last year, the company performed their first test in the Nevada desert. It intends to have a full-size passenger-ready Hyperloop in operation by 2021. We could soon be hopping into the first new major mode of transportation in 100 years.